stay to the end of the webinar, because we know at the end of the webinar, hopefully you're going to sell your tax services or whatever it is that you sell. Okay. Another thing that you can do is that if you're trying to pay for ads, I don't know if, even if you're not big in ads, but this right here will pay for your ad budget. People are, spending $1,000, $2,000 on ads, or even if you do a little boost, a $20 boost or whatever it is, you can turn one of those chapters into a $7 guide, and that will pay for your ads, right? So as they opt into your landing page or whatever, you have to pay $7 for the ebook, and that pays for your ads. So now you're getting essentially free, or you get to do your marketing ads for free, because the clients are paying for $7. Okay. You can also use the 10 videos that we recorded as a standalone course. So now you got a mini course that you can sell for $197 or $297. Mind you, we're still on the same book, y'all. We're still on the same book.
And what was your investment? You put out like how much? Like $50?
However much it costs to proofread. So maybe 50, maybe 75, even $100. Oh my God, Brandon, I don't want to spend $100. Oh my gosh.
Who gonna put this in work? I want to see. Tag me and Brandon. Who gonna put this to work? I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it myself. I'm doing another one. I'm gonna add the webinar thing at the end. Thank you.
I still got a long way to go. Okay. Now what you can do is you can use something called Anchor or Buzzsprout. Let me go to it. Hold on. BUZZ Sprout.
Teach me.
Hold up. All right, cool. So you can go to something called Buzzsprout, and you can take the audio from each video, and now you have 10 episodes for your podcast. So now you just started your podcast. And it goes into all platforms. So you got what is it? iTunes, Spotify, whatever. You got your podcast.
Wow. Okay.
If you don't want to turn it to a course or anything, you can take those same 10 videos. Now you have 10 YouTube videos. So now you just started your YouTube channel.
Yep, that's me. That's what I'm doing.
Okay. You can also take the text from the ebook, some of the quotables, and turn those into Twitter posts. So if you ain't been posting on Twitter, now you got Twitter. You could take some of the same context from the Google Doc, whatever text you're using, and use that as email content. If you're trying to nurture leads, use that as email content to give value to them.
Okay.
Yep. You can take the same videos and text and do a 3 to 5 day email challenge. Give people homework and invite them into a free Facebook community. All right. So essentially you can say, hey, listen, I'm doing a 5-day challenge, right? And you can take 5 of those videos and you would just email it to them, say, hey, listen, you got to join this Facebook community. And I would give you a video every single day for 5 days. And let's say one of them is, be compliant or whatever. Hey, let me know if you've seen the video. The homework is, drop the homework. What's the top 5 compliance thing that drop in the Facebook group. Now you're using that content to be able to grow a Facebook community that you can sell to every single week. Okay. While we're in there, let's say you already have a Facebook community, you can use the same text and video content to be able to drop content inside the Facebook group community to be able to nurture them and add value to them. And then in the community, you can then upsell them to your services, coaching, or masterminds. And then lastly, if you do about 5 of these ebooks a year, you can have a podcast, a YouTube channel, and content for the rest of the year.
Done.
And that's when I got the mic.
That boy good right there. Sexy chocolate. That boy good. He got his beard all grown out full. He ain't playing.
Come on now. Listen, I ain't come to play. Listen, I did this because I know a lot of people are like, create an ebook, sell it for $97. And let's be real, a lot of people aren't going to reach off these ebooks. We got to keep it all the way 100. They tell them, listen, create an ebook, create digital products, you make $1 million. Listen, y'all, listen, that's not for everybody. All right. That's not for everybody. You want to be able to take something you got. What's the path of least resistance? How can I make a 10 to 20K, quickly? Or how can I at least get these people to join to buy my services? And now I'm turned into an ebook author. Now I'm an ebook entrepreneur. I'm just trying to do taxes. Turn me into a whole ebook influencer. Listen, y'all, we're gonna do digital product, and so just download my ebook. And so it's like, come on. Oh my God. You got an ebook too? Here we go. This is how to leverage it without being an ebook influencer. You're welcome.
You can segment and use it so many different ways. Thank you so much, y'all. Y'all better put something in the chat for Brandon. Give some fire emojis. Give us some claps. Give him something. Give him something.
All right. That was cray. I need to know if that was crazy or not. Because first off, that was one ebook. I ain't gonna lie to you. Questions.
And that was fast. Y'all better have some questions, because I know it went over some of y'all,
Brandon. Yeah, for sure. Let me know. It was quick. So let me know if it I can clear it up. I can clear it up for you. Let me know.
So instead of you just creating an ebook and then just having them create the cover and the putting the ebook together, you decided to do like, okay, I'm gonna read it and then have them basically proofread it and edit it, and then so now you have your videos, have your ebook. I like the marketing thing, like, okay, if y'all stay to the end, I'm gonna give you a video a day or something like that. Like you said, everybody's on ebooks. I mean, I already have ebooks, and it's just depending on the marketing tool, how successful it could be. So I do like that feature, but I didn't know about I heard about Loom, but not the AI video thing. I think that was decent.
Yep. The thing is, you can do multiple things. Like, it's like I said all these different things, but out of like 10 or 12 of these, you can do like 8 of these. That means you can still put it on YouTube channel. When you create the ebook and put on a YouTube channel, that still doesn't mean you don't have to have a podcast. You can do them both, the same content.
So it's like you basically have your stuff set up, basically mapped out kind of for like the rest of the year. Okay, I'm just gonna focus on this ebook and this content, and then that content is gonna bring people to me, and then I'm gonna basically upsell them the services. I like that.
You ain't never made $20 stretch for the whole week and fed the whole family. This is basically what this is. Some people take $20 and they go buy a bucket of chicken. Some people are, listen, we're gonna buy bread, we're gonna get milk, we're gonna get eggs. The whole family gonna be good all week. That's basically what this is. We're not buying a bucket of chicken. Okay, we already know how much a pack of bologna costs. We know how much. Listen, you better get the bologna and put some mustard on that and fry it. Now you got a cold bologna sandwich. You can fry it. It's 2 different sandwiches. Okay, it's 2 different textures. I'm just throwing. And you gotta get different flavors of oodles and noodles, right? You gotta get chicken. The next day you get shrimp. Now you feeling spicy. You like, I got shrimp now. I'm gonna upgrade it. You feeling rich a little bit. Y'all know.
I love that. The repurpose technique. I love that, because that's my thing, coming up with content. Okay, what I'm gonna say, what I'm gonna do, so it's already there for you. I'm gonna do that this week. You think?
It's a lot. I'm sure there was a lot. Please go back and watch it and really digest what I was talking about. And if you're not really sure how to do 1 or 2 particular things, right, or elaborate on, let Farah know, and I'll come back on when I got more time and I can break down some things like in particular.
Can you confirm the app? It's called 5daycourse.com.
Where did it come from? Yeah, I know a lot of went over here. When did it happen?
I don't think we said a 5-day course.
When did it happen?
Oh, my bad. The 5-day challenge.
Right. He was saying that you could create a 5-day challenge off of material.
Wasn't it software that could like break it down, the AI?
That was video.ai. It was there in the chat.
Yeah, I put it in the chat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I got it.
So I have a question. At first you said do 1 through 10 on what you're gonna, talk about on your ebook.
Correct.
And then the second thing was, what was it, loan.com or something? What was
Yeah,
that?
that's like you can record it. You can record it with your phone, or you can just use Loom to just record it, just a video.
Is it LOAN.com?
OOM.
Mhm.
Oh, Loom.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, you was talking fast.
I know. And I'm from the country, so that right there don't make it no better.
I'm in Alabama, so
That don't make it no
So loom.com. So you do the first 10 and then you do loom.com to
record it.
record it, and then you
Okay.
go to fire.com. Is that
Fiverr.
Fire? Fiverr, FIVER
Yep.
R.com.
They can
Right?
do everything. They'll be able to
And they'll
transcribe
proofread it for you.
Yep. Have them transcribe the video as well. Have them go and
Okay.
transcribe. So take the video to text.
Okay. Okay.
Right, y'all got your assignments now. Who gonna do it? I want to see.
Listen, y'all. How much is a tax service? Like how much somebody set a service for? One service or
$449.
449. Maybe my calculate out. Let's see here. I got to see what's going on here. 449. So let's say 400. So essentially, I mean, how many people we need? Okay. All right. So we need 25 people a month to make 10 grand. So 25 people. Hold on, give me a minute. All right. So that's about 6-7 people a week. So essentially, you just need to sell like one person a day. One person a day for your tax services to be able to make it at minimum 10 grand a month. If you can do 2 a day, that's 20,000. So just from using the ebook, sending people to your inbox and let people know that, okay, you're struggling with tax saving, you're struggling with this, let's hop on a call.
And showing your values.
Yep.